Good morning students, welcome to you all 11th standard accountancy. In this video we are going to discuss unit 6 substitute books 1. Illustration 1. Record the following transactions in the purchase book of Shanti Furniture Mart. So prepare the purchase book. So the books of Shanti Furniture Mart. Shanti Furniture Mart. So we will prepare the purchase book. Purchase book. All the credit purchase are entered in the purchase book. So purchase book is a subsidiary book in which only the credit purchase of goods and goods are recorded. So when business want to know the information about the credit purchase of goods at a glance, so the information can be made available in the purchase of goods on credit or separately recorded. So write the format of purchase book first. So first column, date column. So purchase book. First column, date column, and second column, particulars. Particulars, name of the suppliers and details of goods or purchase, all right here. Then next column, invoice number. Invoice number. Next column, enter. Next, amount column. Amount column. Here, details. Next column is total. So this is the format of purchase book. So first column date, second column particulars, and third column invoice number, and the next column amount, details, and the total. In the date column, so in the date column the date of purchase of goods only is recorded, and second column particulars. In particulars, in this column the name of the supplier from goods have been purchased and the details of good purchase are given. So it contains the name, quantity, quality, the rate good purchase, trade discount, and any other specification and specialist of goods are recorded in this column. The next column, invoice number. So invoice is the statement prepared by the seller of goods. So it contains details about the goods, its price, and other expenses incurred. So the invoice number is entered in this invoice column. The next column is ledger folio. So the page number of ledger is which the supplier's account appear is recorded in this column. The next column is amount column. So amount column, first one is details. So details in the amount column is divided into two parts. So first details and total. The details column is used to record the amount of various individual items purchased from a particular supplier. So the amount of trade discount is allowed is directed. So this column is used for only adjustment of addition and subtraction. The next one, total amount. The net amount payable to the supplier of goods is recorded in the total amount column. So let's go to the sum now. So March 1, 2017, purchased from Mohan Furniture Mart, Madurai, 20 chairs at the rate of 450 each and 2 tables at the rate of 1000 each. So we have to write now March 1st, date March 1st, 2017, Mohan Furniture Mart. Mohan Furniture Mart, Madurai. 20 chairs at the rate of 450 each. 450 each. So 20 into 450. So 20 chairs into 450 rupees. So 45 times into 90. So 9 5,000 rupees. The next two tables. Purchased from Home Furniture Mart, two tables at the rate of 1,000 each. 1,000 each. So 2 into 1,000 rupees. So 2,000. So total. So we purchased from the Home Furniture Mart 9,000 plus 2,000, 11,000. Then less trade discount is given. So we have to subtract the trade discount. 10% is given. So trade discount 10%. So 11,000 into 10%. So 10 by 100. So answer 1,100. So 11,000 minus 1,100. The amount 9,900. Write on the total cost. Okay. So next second item, March 7. March 7. Purchased for cash from Welcome Furniture. March 6. Purchased for cash from Welcome Furniture, Vellore. 2 almaris are 2,000 rupees each. So this is the cash transactions. In purchase book we write only credit transactions. So should not appear in the purchase book in the March 6. Then come to the next March 7. Bought from Ramesh and Company, Rayapeta, 2 stools at the rate of 500 each. So Ramesh and Company and Rayapeta, 2 stools at the rate of 500 each. So 2 into 500 rupees, 1,000. 2 into 500 rupees, 1,000. The next 10 rolling chairs. 10 rolling chairs. So 10 rolling chairs. At the rate of 200 each. So 10 into 200. So answer 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees. So 1,000 plus 2,000, 3,000. So March 7, delivery charges is added. So 150 rupees. So you have to add the delivery charges. Add delivery charges and the cottage. And the cottage 150 rupees. So 3,000 plus 150, total 3,150. So March 7 is over. Next, come to the next one. March 20. So purchase of 2 computers for office use from Anand Company, Adyar, on credit rupees 15,550. So purchase of computers on 20th March 2017 and the typewriter purchased on March 2050, March 25 will not be recorded in the purchase book because they are assets for the firm. So dealing in furniture and for office use. So should not appear in the purchase book. Then come to the next one, March 21. Purchased from Kamal Company, March 21, 2017. Purchased from Kamal Company, Karaikal. Karaikal. 10 chairs at the rate of 750 each. So 10 into 750 rupees. So amount 7,500. The next amount 15 steel cabinets, 15 steel cabinets at the rate of 1500 each. 1500 each. So 15 into 1500, answer 22,500. 22,500. So 7,500 plus 22,500, total 30,000. The next trade discount is given. So you have to subtract now. What is the trade discount? So minus 10%. So 30,000 into 10 by 100. So total 3,000. So 30,000 minus 3,000, 27,000. 27,000. The next one, add packing and delivery charges. Packing and delivery charges. Delivery charges 250. So 27,000 plus 250. So total 27,250. Okay. So total. So in Mohan Furniture Mart is 9,000 and Ramesh and Company is 3,150 and Kamal and Company Karaikal 27,250. Total 40,400. Total 40,400. So purchase account, total purchase account, debtor, so 40,400. So thank you students. We will see the next section. Thank you.